I'm bringing in a old school VHS camcorder to Disneyland today to see how it would look if I filmed a vlog when I was a kid. I first came to Disneyland 35 years ago. It's now the 70th, so exactly half of Disneyland's existence ago. I came in about 4th grade, I think it was, if I did the math correctly. So let's see what it looks like to film with an old school VHS camcorder back from the early 90s. You are now
Chain with Treyce.
We are flying into Disneyland for the 70th anniversary, 2025. We're entering the world of yesterday, tomorrow, and fantasy. It's vacation 2025 in June. We're gonna have so much fun.
We made it to Disneyland. I like the Matterhorn. I'm gonna ride that today. And I'm gonna ride Indiana Jones, and I'm gonna ride that. And I think about what.
Chicken and waffles from Galactic Grill with some side of potatoes. Smile good. Let's see what's in your teeth. You got berries in your teeth, but you can't see it. It's Space Mountain time. Here it is. Oh, sorry. There goes Treyce onto Space Mountain.
I like the cold ride.
Here it is inside. Treyce is with Nucky up in front. Brendan Colin. Colin's my ride player today. Frontierland on the way to Pirates of the Caribbean. I think it's in New Orleans Square. We're going by the rivers of America to get there, and then over there is the Mark Twain riverboat, and then Haunted Mansion's way over there too. Treyce is trying to find us to Pirates. Oh, there's the riverboat right there. Look. The pirates got a big treasure. There's Jack Sparrow right there. Jack Sparrow. Treyce knows after pirates, we go play with the swords. He knows. Whoa, boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, you got me. On his pirate hat. Look at him. Smile. Smile for the video. Smile. Smile. We are gonna go do some Big Thunder. Almost up to Big Thunder. How many, Treyce? How many?
2? You can take number 10.
Number 10. Go down this way. Go down that way. Right here. Number 10. We're on. Hey, we're on. Woo, we're on. Whoa, that was a wild ride. For lunch, we're having a pulled pork, mac and cheese, and a bread bowl.
When you're getting away in an escape pod, it
With the nice little
drops you
Mickey
into
ears
space
on it.
and it feels like zero gravity drop, but super fast.
Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is one of the newer lands here at Disneyland.
This area will be monitored for resistance activity. The Supreme Leader would like a word. Come with me. All right. Move on. Here.
Makes us smart. We're racing higher. Racing with pride. Be proud of them. You did.
Oh my god.
How do you feel about it?
I'm so happy. It's the best part of the trip for me.
Were those the chocolate chip cookies from, what's it called?
Harbor Galley.
Harbor Galley, that's right.
Number one. This, I mean, you wouldn't want to eat crumble.
I mean, it's a warm day and a hot cookie, but why not? Treyce is watching people ride the Jungle Cruise.
This cute girl. Hi. Dad, this is.
That's a good answer. Not a lot of kiddos like Jungle Cruise. That is a good answer. Are you ready? Just kidding. Go forward, Wolf. I meant almost 5. Yeah? Is this for your birthday trip? No. Just happy to be
We're going in the Indy line. Here we go. In the caves. Oh, here we go. We're still in Indy. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Who was that? Knows how to drive. I guess we'll trust him.
I know, I guess.
Started it.
I know, I guess. 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 I guess.
Hey, we got a crazy driver.
Stop.
Forward left. Up to the left. Oh. Your head.
There's Matterhorn Mountain. It's currently not running the bobsleds right now. They're for maintenance. Coming into Fantasyland. Here we are. Peter Pan's over there. Carousel, some other old school rides. For an after dinner treat, we have the s'mores butter cake. There's vanilla ice cream, chocolate butter cake, toasted marshmallows.
Say your vows and stuff. Yeah.
I have some of my fries. And then he can have them.
I got fries right here, though, so.
Tiana's, get that poncho on, dude. This ride was Splash Mountain when I was here 35 years ago. And they sang Zippity Doo Dah. Treyce is batting lead off. Here we go. Row 1.
Yeah, I was right. There are musicians out here, and man, are gorgeous.
They're the bees and bees. I would love for y'all.
Look at this guy. He's all wrapped up. He's all wrapped up in a poncho.
Call it on musician. Man, it's hard to find a band in the dark.
How do we do? How do we do? So, Caleb is the only one without a poncho.
Not the only one.
Oh, you took your poncho off?
No, it's not.
Poncho free, but wet shorts and underwear.
Did you get wet? How much you get wet? A lot?
Oh my.
Huh? Your socks are wet? Treyce going on Radiator Springs Racers. He's got a rider switch pass, so Mama can go next. Cars, Radiator Springs Racers.
Just follow Peter into town to get ready. Peter!
Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun! Extraordinary tires for the race. Ka-chow! Congratulations!
Say hello to Lightning. Check how the
Welcome
shirt
to Cozy
Lightning.
Cone.
Yeah. Let's have you stand right here next to his bumper, buddy.
Stand right
Okay,
there.
That's me!
together.
I look good!
Yeah, so you
Mickey waffles with strawberry filling. Spider-Man ride, Spider-Man, Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Peter Parker, Spider-Man. Shoot him.
You there, Spider-Man? I'm here. Where are you? On our way. Okay, please sit back and enjoy your ride.
Not quite tall enough to ride in Credit Coaster yet, but they said when he is, come back and show this pass, and he'll get on the ride. Fast pass.
Donald Duck.
Yep, Donald's on it. We got the big taco from Pim Test Kitchen. So you have to eat more like a salad. Treyce is eating grilled cheese and tots. Okay, Treyce wants to tell his friend something. What do you want to tell him?
There's tater tots and this is so good.
Treyce got a nap, and now we're gonna do Goofy's Flight School. Goofy's Sky School, something like that. You wanna learn how to fly? With Goofy?
Sea segura. Aquí tenemos una lista. Guarden cualquier artículo que se les suelte. Permanezcan sentados en su avión.
Hey, Treyce. Bye, buddy. Bye, Treyce. Whoa, whoa. Treyce.
Up the lap bar and step on out to your left.
That was awesome.
Ride it again. Anyone ride it again?
Might do it again.
Hey, everybody. We're just having the best time on vacation. Family vacation. Disney 2025 summer. Woo! We're loving it. Treyce loving it? Woo! Soren, one of our favorites.
You gonna dance? Oh yeah.
Oh, all right.
Get it.
Okay.
Get it?
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
Wow.
Yeah.
Gotta get sweating later.
We're gonna go flying on Soren.
Take a video of it.
Hi.
Let's just see.
We all are.
looks like exact back to back.
That's the Cozy Cone Motel. We're going on a shut down the park Grizzly River run. Woo! Last ride of the night. Get soaking wet and then go back to the room. This is Ponchoing up.
That's honestly not
Because you're like so wet that it just looks normal.
Here we go. Is this the best ride? Is this the best ride? You don't want me to film. You don't want no videos. Thanks for watching our Disneyland videos. Treyce has the best fans. Treyce has the bestest fans. Who has the best fans? Treyce does.